there are two primary sex organs. These are the testes and the gonads. Testes, plural for testes. Okay? Let me remove the... This is the right testis and this is the left testis.
May rinig na namin.
Hindi ba pwede ibaba yan? Dito? Diba? Para kayo reporter? Sige, ipatong nila nga lang para ano. Nahirapan ako sa inyo eh. Parang right testis. Uy, humingay. Uy, walang maingay. This is the right testis and this is the left testis. Gonads, of course, as you all know, this is the organ responsible for the endocrine function of your testes, which releases or produces your sex hormones, testosterone, and the androgen. What I'm after is the exocrine function, wherein the testis is responsible for the spermatogenesis, or the production of your spermatozoa or sperm cells. This is the gross appearance of your testes. Ano? Okay na? May weight pa eh. Okay, so for the gross appearance of your testes, these are the blood vessels that runs into it. Again, let me emphasize that ejaculation is stimulated by your sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system, and erection is stimulated by the parasympathetic division of your autonomic nervous system. Got it? Ejaculation, sympathetic, parasympathetic, erection. Erection, parasympathetic. Ejaculation, or the release of the seminal fluid, it is stimulated by your sympathetic division. Both are branches of your division of your autonomic nervous system. Clear? Yes. The testis, this is paired, right? Pares, and it is enclosed by a wrinkled skin known as the scrotum. This is the cut section of the scrotum. Okay, number 8.
8,
Diba? 1. Area na to. So, it covers or it encloses the entire testis. Okay? This entire arterial blood supply came from the spermatic cord. This is the spermatic cord. This is the testicular artery. Right. Ito, testicular artery, right, branches out into a several arterial blood supply to the testes. But the main arterial blood supply for this organ is the testicular artery. Your testicular artery is a branch of your gonadal artery, which is a direct branch of your descending aorta. Very good, Mr. Figueroa. Maliwanag ba yun? Okay. They are collectively intertwined with the lymphatic vessels and the veins. Of course, kung may testicular artery, itong color blue ay testicular vein. They are collectively known as the spermatic cord. Kailangan ko ba may spelling?
Spermatic cord.
Okay, spermatic space cord, C-O-R-D. Okay? When you dissect and you remove the blood vessels of the testes, this is how it looks like. This whitish appearance is called the tunica albuginea.